Look, trading has never been made so easy. So easy, guys. With over 1.8 million active users and over 5.6 billion US dollars trading volume on daily basis, Bitget is your best bet when it comes to copy trading. Now, what is copy trading? Copy trading is simply you copying the signals of professionals, okay? Professionals who are absolutely accurate in what their trading decisions and analysis. You do not need to have the nitty-gritties of how the market works. Just copy the signals of these professionals and make money on daily basis. Simple. Remember, Bitget is also ranked top 5 on the coin market cap in terms of what the cryptocurrency derivative exchanges. I'm talking about top 5 right now. So what do you want to do next? Sign up and then enjoy 153 US dollars bonus immediately. Use my promo link right in the description of this video. And like you all know, I always teach you from scratch to finish. So I'm going to walk you through the entire process on how this journey starts till the end.
Good. So right about now, we're going to learn how to copy trades directly from professional traders. That is what we call copy trading. Okay. You do not need to have the technical know-how of technical analysis. You just need to copy directly from professional traders and make money for yourself. And Bitget can give you this platform easily. Okay. They also have a sponsorship deal with Juventus Football Club in Italy. Okay, so you should know that this is actually a reputable exchange. So right now, let's click on copy trade. Click on copy trade, and then this interface is going to pop up like this. Very simple. Now you can see my copy trades and become a trader. If you want to become a trader to start trading, you can go for that option. But if you want to copy trades directly from professional traders, just simply go here and filter out the best bets for yourself. Okay, what I usually do, I come here, I select these tags. Let me untick them so you see what I'm saying. I select these tags, and then this hide full, I toggle it on. Okay, I toggle it on. And now having done that, I just simply click on confirm. All right, now what the hide full is saying is that it is telling you that you want Bitget to hide all the traders who has no space for entry. In other words, they cannot accommodate any user anymore for their signals. All right, so you just click on it so that Bitget will filter those ones out and will give you the traders who has space to accommodate users. That is you who wants to take a trade. Okay, you want to take a signal, so they can still accommodate you as a follower. So you just hide all the people who are full. So that's why you click on hide full. So you click on confirm. Now, having done that, you see traders here are going to pop up, and you just select based on your preferred trader. And you can also streamline it down to total P and L. Now this is called total profit and loss. You want to know those guys that are actually very accurate in their signals. I'm talking about the traders who are very accurate in their signals. You can just simply come here and select total P and L. I like the total P and L a lot because it gives you an overview of those who are currently making profit. Okay, so that's to tell you that these guys bag in so much profits on daily basis. All right, so now let's see. Let's choose this guy, young and rich. Okay, let's choose this guy. Let's copy his trade. Now, want to copy his trade, the first thing you want to do for yourself is to click on transfer, and then transfer money from your spot wallet to your USDT margins. Okay, transfer. I already have transferred some money, but for your own, you have to transfer from spot to USDT margin. So you just click on this place here. You can see mine is already on the margin. I already have about $20 set for this tutorial, and then revert it, and then you transfer from spot to USDT margin. Very simple. All right, good. Now, having done that, you go back, and then you can see that this person is trading just BTC. All right, he's trading only Bitcoin. Now you click on advanced settings, you toggle it on, and then you can set your margin to what? The USDT. Specify it, set your margin to USDT, and then you click on the leverage. Now, how do you want your leverage? According to what the specified leverage, you can say the long position leverage, that's if you are taking a buy position, you can set it, you can adjust it and say it shouldn't go beyond 25 or 27 rather. You can just set it, and then your short position for this trader, whenever he takes a trade and you want to copy it, it shouldn't go beyond 24. Okay, just set it basically the way you would want it to look. All right, so having done that, you can set it for a fixed amount, and you can also use the magnification section. But for this tutorial, I'll be using the fixed. So I have about 20 USDT here. I have about 20 USDT, and then I'll come here to my risk management and click on risk management and say my stop loss. I just want to risk, or rather, let me explain this risk management properly for you. Normally, when you are entering a trade, okay, you shouldn't go above 60% of your what? Total margin. In other words, if you have $100 in your account, you can enter this trade. You can enter or copy the signals of a professional trader with just 60%. All right, or 50%. It depends on you and how much you are willing to risk. Okay, but 50 is okay to me. So you can just use 50% of what you have. I have 20 in this account for the purpose of this tutorial, and I can decide to use just 50%. That should be $10. Okay, but I'm just putting everything because I'm trying to teach you guys. All right, good. Now, having done that, you can just come here and then put your risk management. Now, for your stop loss, you can say out of that $60 that is 60, or out of the $50 that is 50% of my portfolio, I want to risk just $20. Okay, so, or rather, you want to risk 25 out of that money, out of that $50. So 25, you want to risk 50% rather of that $50. So 50% of $50 is actually 25. Okay, so you can just say 50%, and your take profit, you can also set that, let's say 10%. Okay, it depends on you and how much you are willing to risk. Okay, you can just set this according to what you would want. Okay, you can say 20. It just basically depends on you. Depends on you and how much you would want to risk. All right, and haven't done that, you just simply come here and select the amount. Let's say we're using 20. Okay, I'm using 20 as the margin. Remember, you're using 50% of your portfolio. If you have $100, you're using $50, so yours is going to be 50%, but I'm just using 20 for the purpose of this tutorial, so you don't get it twisted. All right, so you just click on follow. Okay, it's saying leverage settings required. I think I forgot to set the and here 25. Just click on follow, and then I'm going to click on confirm. I'm not taking this trade though. I'm just going to click on confirm, and immediately you do that, automatically you'll be initiated into the trade. Okay, now let's see. Click on confirm. You see it now? Good. So now let's go back and see my copy trades. Okay, you can see already I'm following this guy right now. You can see I'm following this guy right now. All right, so basically this is how it works. All right, basically this is how it works. So you can see here, you can see my trader, blah blah blah, everything is just lit here. Okay, so guys, basically this is how Bitget copy trading works. It's very simple. It's just like every other exchange, but I like Bitget a lot. All right, so in the next videos, I'll be exposing you to the entire interface and what it means to trade with Bitget. All right, don't forget, when you use my promo link or when you sign up with my link in the description, you get $153. Okay, straight up. So basically that is what it is. So guys, cheers, see you in the next video, and continue to watch this channel. All right, watch this channel. I've just been signed up by Bitget as an influencer, and I'm going to be pushing out loads of content right in your faces, okay, that will benefit you. And do not forget, Bitget is here to stay. Cheers guys, do have a good time and a happy Easter in advance.